Avocado oil is prized for its numerous health benefits and versatile culinary uses. Here's a detailed look at its benefits and the best ways to use it. Avocado oil is rich in healthy fats, including monounsaturated fats, primarily oleic acid, which is heart-healthy and anti-inflammatory, and polyunsaturated fats, which include omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. It is also nutrient-dense, high in vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage, and contains potassium, magnesium, and lutein, important for eye health. Avocado oil may reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, improving overall heart health. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce inflammation, potentially benefiting conditions like arthritis. Avocado oil also hydrates and nourishes skin and hair, making it a common ingredient in beauty products. It may help with wound healing and reducing the appearance of scars. Additionally, it contains antioxidants like vitamin E and lutein, which combat oxidative stress and improves nutrient absorption, enhancing the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, and other nutrients. Avocado oil is ideal for various applications. It has a high smoke point, around 520 degrees Fahrenheit or 271 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for high-heat cooking methods such as frying, sautéing, and grilling. In baking, it can be used as a substitute for other oils or butter. For salad dressings and marinades, avocado oil adds a rich, buttery flavor and can be mixed with vinegar or lemon juice. It also enhances dips and spreads like guacamole and hummus with added richness and a nutritional boost. In skincare, use avocado oil as a moisturizer directly on the skin or as a base for DIY skincare products, and apply to dry or irritated skin to soothe and hydrate. It can also be used as a natural makeup remover. In hair care, apply as a hair mask to moisturize and strengthen hair, used to tame frizz and add shine. Additionally, avocado oil capsules are available as dietary supplements for those looking to enhance their intake of healthy fats. When using avocado oil, store it in a cool, dark place to preserve its quality and prevent it from going rancid. Like any oil, use it in moderation to avoid excessive calorie intake. Opt for extra virgin avocado oil for the highest nutrient content and flavor, as cold-pressed options are generally superior. Incorporating avocado oil into your diet and personal care routine can offer numerous health benefits and enhance your culinary creations.